guys, welcome back. If you're getting the error, "System cannot find the path specified" on Windows, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the command prompt, type sfc/scanl and press Enter. This will start a scan and repair system files. You can minimize it and continue with the next steps while it runs. Step 2. Open the Start menu again and type Services. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start, then OK. Now scroll down to Windows Update. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start, then OK. Step 3. Go to the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Open it and click on Check for Updates. Make sure your PC is fully updated. Finally, restart your computer. After reboot, the error, "System cannot find the path specified," should be fixed.